What's up, guys? We have a new box of goodies here from Hull Shield, and we're going to show you what we got. So if you've been following us for any amount of time, you know that we really battle with severe fouling on the bottom of happy hours. We get growth, marine growth, barnacle, and all sorts of ugliness under there that keeps this boat from performing at its best. So when we had the boat last painted, we installed a Hull Shield system on the boat in hopes of eliminating that problem. But we found out it wasn't enough. We needed even more. We're in Southwest Florida. In the summer, the waters are warm and the marine growth thrives in this environment. So Hull Shield actually saw that we were still struggling with it. They sent us a new system. They said a boat this size should have 2 controllers with 8 transducers on the boat. So they sent us a new system. This is the controller, the HD4. It's capable of supporting 4 transducers like we have in the boat right now. This is the newer system. They sent us a second controller here. And we have an additional 4 transducers to mount on the hull and the underwater metal to protect the rudders, the props, and all the hull from additional growth. So we're going to be installing this system, upgrading the one we have, and taking the boat out of the water in another couple weeks to get it stripped, new paint job, sanded, everything done, so we get a fresh system and we go back in the water. And this system should definitely help us out. Okay, so we're down on the bilge, and here's our old Hull Shield system, the HD100, with the 4 transducers underneath. And here's the replacement, HD4. Same thing, 4 transducers, but the newer model. So we're going to remove this old transducer and make room to put 2 transducers in this same space here. So I need to move around some of these hoses, disconnect the old transducers, and get ready for the new equipment. All right, we made a lot of room in here. Now we can easily fit 2 of the systems. This is the old one. They're exact same size, so I can mount one up here, one down here, and have plenty of room to run the transducers. All right, we have our 2 controllers mounted. We got our wires with their labels for each transducer, and the wires run. I'll have to tidy them up a little bit. Now I just have to mount the transducers. So I'm going to get that JB weld ready, smear it on here, and stick it to the hull, the rudders, and over by the bow thruster. We have all our transducers mounted. I decided to mount this one right on top of the rudder shaft. We'll make a solid connection there, because that's the starboard rudder and the port rudder. And I understand I'll have to remove that if I need to pull the rudder for any reason. Here is the additional hull transducer. And here is the bow thruster transducer. So the 4 additional transducers are installed. The 4 original transducers I had, the 1 on each transmission and the 2 on the hull, will help supplement this whole system. So we're going to let this dry before we fire it up and check it again tomorrow. All right, it is 1 day later. All our transducers are set. I just turned all the systems on, and I don't know if you can see it. That means we're in good shape. 4 flashes, then a quick blink. System 1, system 2, same thing. So everything seems to be working well. Next step up is to pull the boat and get the bottom paint done. That is going to be quite the job and a whole video unto itself. So there you have it. Dual system Hull Shield install on a 341 Meridian Sport Bridge. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. See you later, guys.